You would have heard me say in a lot of videos that MBAs and marketers need to learn digital skills. And I've always advised that these two skills which you need to learn are digital marketing and marketing analytics. Now in this video, what I'm going to share with you is a survey which I conducted, and the results will really open up your mind. They will really help you understand that why do really you as an MBA aspirant or an MBA student, or even if you're an MBA graduate, why do you really need to learn digital skills right now? And after you see the results of this survey which I conducted, you will truly be interested and eager to learn these skills right away. Hi, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur, and let's get on with the video. So I will get straight to the point. A few years back, just 2 years back, I conducted a survey. And in that survey, my objective was to really understand that what exactly are the different things which MBA students interested in marketing, what all do they really think about when they're MBA aspirants, when they're MBA students, when they become MBA graduates. And the results of this survey, it sort of validated one thought which I have in my head. And that thought was that MBA truly need digital skills. So as you can see, that I sent these 4 different audiences, which is MBA aspirants, MBA students, MBA graduates, and some others who are basically marketers out there in the industry or even entrepreneurs. I sent them these 25 statements. And I asked them that you need to rank these 25 statements and you need to share with me what are the top 3 statements which you have, which are the problems you have. So if you see these statements, you will realize that these are the problem statements which this audience, the MBA aspirants, the MBA students, the MBA graduates will have. And once I got the outcomes of this, that once they ranked that what are their top 3 problems, what are their top 3 statements from these, then I could really understand that what exactly is it that this audience needs. And the representation of all 4 groups in this survey was exactly equal. So from there you would know that yes, this survey ensured that we had good representation of each of these. So now let's see that what were the outcomes of this survey, that what were the top 3 problem statements which each of these audience had stated. So when I talk about MBA aspirants, the top 3 things which are there on their mind is that how to analyze marketing case studies. That happens to be their problem number 1. Then how to win case competitions, that is their problem number 2. And is marketing the right career for me? That is their problem number 3. And you can actually understand it as well, because as you're an MBA aspirant, you have some idea about what are the important things when you go to a B school. And you would know that yes, every day you need to analyze cases. So hence your priority would be to actually understand that what exactly is this case analysis and how do I analyze case studies, and so on and so forth. All of the other 2 options which you have, they seem to be very logical of what an MBA aspirant would be wondering about. Now I'll talk to you about the MBA students. Now these MBA students, the ones which filled up this survey, they represent the best of the B schools as well as the most average of the B schools. So you have a good assortment of students in it. For example, there are students from IIM Shillong, IIM Udaipur, MDI Gurgaon, as well as from some of the average tier 4 and tier 5 B schools of India. So now let's see that what exactly are the things which the B school students, the ones who are either in their first year or in their second year, what exactly the problem statements for them. Now for them, the problem statements, the first 2 are the same, that how to analyze the marketing cases, because obviously case studies is something which they're encountering on a daily basis, and also how to win case competitions, because they know that if we learn how to win case competitions, then we can also get good placement opportunities through that. And the third one is that now because they have entered the B school, now because you have entered the school, the placements are right in front of you. And even if you are a second year students, for you the placements are now very important and they are right in front of you. And hence a very big challenge for you is that how to create a strong profile for the placements. So you can also understand that yes, these are the things which a B school student would be wondering about. Now from here I'll talk about the third group, which is those who were recently graduated from a B school, and let's see what they seem to have as problem statements. So their problem statements, their first problem statement, their number one problem is that how to solve marketing problems through data analytics. Problem 2 is that how to create an integrated marketing plan. And problem 3 is how to learn analytics and data analytics. Now also I will share with you that what were the outcomes of the others group, which included entrepreneurs and non-MBA marketers. According to them, their first problem is how to solve marketing problems through data analytics. Is marketing the right career for me? And how to create an integrated marketing plan. Now that you have these 4 outcomes of these 4 different groups in front of you, I want you to pause the video right now and see if you can observe something which is going to give you a very striking observation, which is going to give you a very simple, straightforward answer of what I'm trying to say. So please pause the video, and once you've found out that what exactly I'm trying to say over here and what exactly can you see from this entire data, please scroll down and comment so that I know that what you have understood. So I hope you would have paused the video and you would have commented down in the comments section. Now the thing which you need to observe, which you can observe very simply, is that while you are an MBA aspirant or a B school student, your mind is fixated towards the case analysis as well as the placements. However, as soon as you move out and get into the industry, your seniors who are already there outside, they are trying to inform you that no, now for us the importance is to learn digital skills, because you can see from your screen that their priority is to learn data analytics, to learn analytics, and to learn how to create an integrated marketing plan. And when I'm saying integrated marketing plan, that also includes digital marketing in it as well. Therefore, this slide which is right in front of you, this should have shown you that digital skills become real important as soon as you step out in the industry. And I am not sure if anyone else is speaking to you about this or not. I am not sure if anyone else is speaking to you about anything else apart from soft skills, about how to crack a case competition or how to prepare well for the PPO or a PPI in your internships. I don't know if anyone else is speaking to you about these things or not, but this is the reality. No matter how much you may prepare for your case analysis, for your case competitions, for all of these things, when you walk out into the industry, even if you have a job offer already, these are the realities. This data analytics and integrated marketing, which includes digital marketing, this becomes the reality which you need to face day in and day out. Therefore, I hope that from this video, from this survey, you would have understood that yes, digital skills are extremely important for you, and these are the skills which are going to get you the outcomes which you want from your MBA, because these are the skills which you need to do really well in your life after MBA. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot and goodbye.